In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're building a fillable form or just need a simple yes or no option, I'll walk you through it in a clear, friendly way. First, open Adobe Acrobat with the PDF you want to edit ready on screen. At the top, click All Tools to open the full tools library so we can access the form features you need. Next, choose Prepare a Form. Acrobat switches into form editing mode where interactive fields like text boxes, radio buttons, and checkboxes live. If Acrobat prompts you to confirm the document or source, proceed and select. Prepare a form again to fully enter the form editor with the dedicated toolbar. Now in the form toolbar, click the checkbox tool. Move your cursor over the page and click exactly where you want the checkbox to appear. Place it near the label or question it belongs to so your users immediately understand what they're selecting. After it's placed, you can adjust its position to fine-tune alignment so everything looks clean and professional. When you're done placing the field, change the mouse cursor by selecting the standard Select Text option. This gets you out of placement mode, which helps avoid dropping extra checkboxes by accident and makes it easier to move or highlight items already on the page. To fine-tune your new field, double-click the checkbox. This opens its Properties window. Here, you'll see the field name and tooltip, which help you identify the checkbox during editing and can make it more accessible to users. You'll also find appearance settings for the border and color, as well as the checkmark style. The export value shows what gets recorded when the box is checked, which is useful if you'll be collecting or analyzing responses. You don't have to change anything right now, but it's helpful to know where these options are for later. When you're ready to test how it works, click Preview at the top of the Prepare Form toolbar or press the EAS key. Preview lets you interact with the PDF exactly as your users will, so you can check and uncheck the box to confirm it behaves as expected. Press ES again to return to editing if you want to make adjustments. One quick tip as you wrap up, checkboxes that share the same field name behave as a single group, so use unique names for independent choices to keep each box toggling on its own. And that's it. You've added a functional checkbox to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and know how to preview and refine it with confidence.